Hello YouTube, and hello Gemini, and hello everyone. I made a package project. So this package is for Fab Store, and this is a loot box, or how else can I call this one? It's I made some images here, as you can see. I've added some items. I'm thinking about what I was thinking about what items I should add next, right? Maybe I should add like other features, like how many items you want, blah blah blah. So I want this to be a very generic modular template to sell it on the store. I'm thinking about what price I should give it. So I'm thinking about how I should sell it for the highest price possible. And as you can see here, I was asking it what I should name it, blah blah blah. So gacha mechanic, loot box system, random reward system, or Skinner box mechanic, RNG rewards, or something gambling like monetization, variable ratio. So there was nothing like this on the fab.com store, and doesn't matter if you want to make money, you need to be producing something that nobody else has. And personally, because I study psychology a lot, I love systems and mechanics like this one exactly, because these are the most how can I say, engaging and addicting mechanisms. But anyway, that's not the point here. The point here is what other systems can I add, right? So loot box in games. When we search for what they look like, blah blah. And maybe I should implement something like this. Maybe I should make it a little bit richer and fuller. Because right now, look at what this is. This is all it is. It's just this, a door icon. Click here. There's no text here. There's no data information or whatever to make players more likely to buy. I want to make this be as easy as possible to generate revenue for the person that buys this product, right? So it needs to be a high value product, not just so simple, because I don't want to just sell it for free. I want to sell it for a lot of money actually. So I'm thinking about how I can negotiate this for a high value price, and I don't want maybe a simple UI like this. I want maybe something that can be so engaging and addicting, maybe, so that big companies can buy it, small companies, developers can buy it to add in-game purchases into their games, right? So this is what I'm trying to add. And so you have the take here, blah blah, and then you have a simple animation like this. Even the box here is really simple, and I think there is a problem with this crate in terms of in terms of material. The material, I think, is wrong. This is why you can see it kind of wrong when you start the game. I don't know why that is. I want to figure out right now actually. So when I go inside of here on the details, I think there's the old material. Yeah, it's right there. And this is the new material, what it's gonna look like in reality. And I think about something else about this, right? So the animation is lacking also. So I also want to add in an animation. Maybe you should only be hitting it from this direction. But this should be so modular, this piece should be so modular and process agnostic that it could be even in your widget, right? Have you seen the battle passes and all those systems in Overwatch or Epic Games or whatever? I could sell it like, I just want to know what I should name it and what price I should sell it for on the Fab store right now in this price. And I want to make it in a way that it can be used in so many different ways, maybe multiple ways. You have your data table here, time float. This is a data table. What I have in the data table: name, image, info, cost, and quantity. I'm not doing anything with these variables. I'm only doing with the image. I'm not only using the image. So how can I make it more of a high value product? And the code is also kind of complex, kind of complicated, but all it does is this timely mechanism here. Goes fast like a roller wheel, but there's no other things. Only this image is rotating slowly. And then boom. I could add more products here in the products data table. I just want to know what I should name these things like. What I should name these ones to make it more proper, right? Structures, dirty loot box, and then you have materials here. So this is a project. I'm thinking I'm gonna sell it like this, the way it is right now. So what do you think about it? Let me know. Thanks.